Hey guys, today I will be doing a product review and a style demo using the Curls Green collection. The first product I will be using is the Kelp Curl Cleanser, which is the shampoo. I really like the shampoo because it was very gentle on my hair and it also gave me a great lather. I also like this product because it helps with dry and itchy scalp, which are two things that I have. Next, I will be using the green tea hair rinse. This product is good for restoring pH balance, porosity, and adding shine to your hair, which are all things that I need since I have color. But this was my first rinse, so I think I need to use it a few more times to really see the benefits of it. Not a product I'm used to using, so it was just okay. Next up is the Kelp Cucumber Hair Mask. It also came with a spoon because, as you can see, this thing is thick. Now, I love me some thick products, but I had never seen anything quite this thick. This is used as a deep conditioner, which I love, and you have the choice of adding heat or no heat, and I'll be adding some heat. This product is a growth enhancing hair mask that helps with tangles, dry hair, and damaged hair. Normally, I deep condition under my hooded dryer for about 20 minutes, but this time, for the first time, I'm going to be using a microwavable deep conditioning heat cap that I just purchased from Thermal Hair Care. So I'm really excited about that. All you do is put it on the microwave for 30 seconds on both sides, and then you apply it to your hair, and you can keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and that's what I did. So now my hair is all cleaned and deep conditioned, and I must say it was actually pretty soft. And so the next product that I'm going to be using is the bamboo protein treatment, and this does not have to be rinsed out. It's basically used as a leave-in conditioner, and it's really good for chemically or color treated hair. It also was thick, so I did have to use that spoon again, but it went on really nice, and I really did like the consistency of the product. The last product in the line is the Avocado Hair Mousse, and it was really easy to come out. It was pretty slippery actually for my hair, and it was gentle. I did like how it glided on pretty well, and it was very soft. This product is good for your hair if it's breakage prone, if it's frizzy, or if you just feel like your hair is kind of dull. Today I'm going to be doing a perm rod out style, and I'm going to be using the orange rollers as well as a few of the pink rollers in the front of my head because I ran out. I really love this technique of twisting the perm rods around my hair this way instead of just rolling it like a regular curl. Either or is fine, it just all depends on how you want your curls to look once they're dry. This under the dry for a little bit, and I let my hair dry overnight. And I was very satisfied, as you can see, with the curls and the bounce and just the definition of the curls. You know, with anything, when you do your hair in a wet hairstyle and with water-based products, you're going to have some shrinkage. So I did have shrinkage, but I knew that going into it. But I was very satisfied with the curls. I used a little bit of extra virgin olive oil all over my hair before untwisting my curls. This is optional. You can actually use any oil of your choice if you choose, or you don't have to use oil at all. It's just personal preference. My curls were very soft, which I loved, but the con in that is that my hair didn't last as long as if you probably would like to use some sort of a gel on there. But I like this because they weren't hard, they weren't crunchy, they were soft and just really bouncy. So I'll take that over my hair being hard and crunchy. Overall, I was very satisfied with the Curls Green collection. I would recommend it for any hair type. The only product I'm a little iffy on is the rinse, but I just think that's my own hang up because I don't use rinses. Favorite thing about the line is that it is vegan and vitamin infused, and I think that's really important that we continue to put healthy products on our hair. I hope that you guys enjoyed my review and my style demonstration. Please rate and subscribe and come hang out with me on my social media. Bye!